Hi, my name is Dave Walsh, and I'm a 17-year veteran teacher at Collingswood High School here in Collingswood, New Jersey. Chromebooks in the classroom really help me organize my classroom and keep the students on task with all their different assignments. Using Screencast-O-Matic and Google in the classroom with their Chromebooks really helps to integrate all those digital tools that I use so that students have access and availability to those anytime when they're learning. I found by using Screencast-O-Matic to record my lectures and my notes for students that it created a connection with the students that otherwise wasn't there when I was using other people's video. And I found that Screencast-O-Matic had easy to use tools. It was easily integrated into Google. You could upload files into Google Drive. It has Google Classroom capabilities. I could easily screencast my Google Slides that I was using, and so it was really easy to integrate with the existing Google structure that we had within the school. Beyond just me recording my own lecture videos, which in and of itself was amazing, it saves a lot of time in the classroom. I'm able to take the time that I would be lecturing and use that now for more hands-on projects. To see those results now with how students can use that time more effectively is amazing. What I am most proud of is their ability to take ownership over their own education.
Morgan, I'm a senior at Collingswood High School, and after high school I want to go to college to major in marine biology with a minor in psychology. Using videos in the classroom as opposed to doing traditional style was better for me because I was able to watch the videos at my own speed and take the notes that I needed that I didn't understand, and then I was able to come to class the next day prepared with questions based on the video I watched. When you have the video, you can watch yourself, see what you did right, see what you did wrong, and then continue to work on it in order to make it better, and then other people can benefit from it. It's not just their retention of what you said, they have it there for them to rewatch. Screencast-O-Matic is a great tool for teaching and learning.